In a packed gym, a guy attempts a viral dance, but every spin ends with jump ropes tangled and a sneeze. A stranger filming drops a meme sound and the guy suddenly nails a flawless routine, racking up likes. Then a buddy reveals the camera was on selfie mode, turning chaos into a fake interview offering a snack deal. The twist lands when the deal is for a couch potato brand, and the crowd roars at the pitch. He lands promo with a wink, and the screen cuts to black, inviting viewers to vote on next meme.